Today we'll be running a local large language model by using Llamafile. Let's get started by installing Llamafile. So the first thing that we do is clone the repository. Next thing that we're going to do is run brew install make. Awesome. We'll cd into Llamafile first. And from Llamafile, we'll brew install, we'll gmake the repository here. Awesome. Gmake just finished. And so now we're going to make install, gmake install. We need a sudo. Perfect. And now we have a binary for Llamafile, and we have Llamafile installed. The next thing that we want to do is download a model. The recommended one that we're going to be doing in our demo here will be Llama3, which is all the rage right now. So just start off this demo, this download here, and we'll be back when this is done. Alrighty, so we just finished downloading Llama3, and so the next thing that we're going to do is run our model using Llamafile. I can copy this command and we'll replace this with the actual path to the Llamafile. We'll go to downloads where we downloaded Llama3 and run this. Awesome. And once this page shows up, that's when we know that it is up and running. Alrighty, now that we have the local model running, if you already have a project, then you can add sublayer to your gem file and run bundle install. And add to your configuration file the following to make sure that it's pointed to your local model, and follow these steps here to actually use a sublayer generator. If you don't have a project, we're going to do a basic demo together. So here, let's copy some of these steps. Let's make a project called Historical Event Finder. That's the project that we're going to do together. I'm going to move over the logs for our local model in the background here. And we're going to create a gem file, and we might as well create a historical event finder file as well. Let's add this to the gem file. And run bundle install. Wonderful. And now we're going to create one more file for the generator. I'm just going to copy paste exactly what we have here in our basic demo. Awesome, so we'll just copy this code right here and we'll bring it over to a new file. The file will be called Historical Event Generator. Perfect. Let's review what came out of the LLM here. You have a unique ability to find connections with the past through dates. Today's date is this. Your mission is to find and share a fun historical event that occurred on the same month and day in the past. So instead of saying all of this, we'll just say provide the event as the value. Okay, and let's run Ruby historical event finder. Oh, we need to actually have this file do something. So let's copy all of this code here. And then let's run our code one more time. This should be hitting our local model. And then it prints out for us this event. April 29th, 1927, Charles Lindbergh lands in Paris after completing the first solo non-stop transatlantic flight. Very cool.